Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Yamaha recreation side-by-sides that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the M-Matty F1S U596B 1000 left side mirror, an ideal replacement for Yamaha Waverunner VX111 models from 2005 to 2009. This product focuses on both functionality and durability with a biconvex mirror design that offers superior visibility for riders. It's shockproof, corrosion-resistant, and built to withstand various weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for any water sports enthusiast. In terms of design, the mirror is compact yet sturdy, with a sleek, streamlined look that complements the aesthetics of your Yamaha Waverunner. It mounts securely on the handlebars, ensuring minimal vibration during use. At just 13.7 ounces, it's lightweight but still feels robust, thanks to its high-quality materials. The packaging is also impressive, with the mirror housed in a fine box for added protection. Performance-wise, users have praised the mirror for its clarity and wide field of view. It's particularly useful for those who need enhanced rear visibility while navigating busy waterways. However, the fact that it's a single left side mirror might be a limitation for some buyers who require a complete set. Overall, this product is perfect for someone looking to replace a damaged mirror or improve their Waverunner's safety features at an affordable price. Coming in at number 4 is the M-Matty F1 SU596B 1000 S1 SU596C 1000 side mirror set. Designed for Yamaha Waverunner VX1100 models from 2005 to 2009. Unlike the previous product, this is a complete set, including both left and right mirrors. Like its single mirror counterpart, this set features biconvex mirrors for excellent visibility, along with shockproof and corrosion-resistant properties to ensure durability in all weather conditions. The build quality is exceptional. Each mirror is housed in a robust exterior mount that securely attaches to your Waverunner. The set is lightweight at just under 2 pounds, but it doesn't compromise on strength. The convex lens curvature provides a wide field of view, making it easier for riders to monitor their surroundings while on the water. The mirrors also come in a stylish aerodynamic design that seamlessly integrates with the Waverunner's overall look. This mirror set is perfect for users who want a complete upgrade or replacement for their side mirrors. It's a more comprehensive solution compared to the single mirror, offering balanced visibility on both sides. While the price is not listed, the product's features and quality make it a worthwhile investment. The only downside is the need for proper fitment checks before purchase, but the manufacturer offers excellent customer service to assist with any issues. At number 3, we have the Yamaha new OEM VX110 boarding step, an essential accessory for anyone who owns a Yamaha VX110 Waverunner. This step is designed to make boarding your Waverunner easier and safer, especially for riders who frequently get on and off in the water. The wide stepping surface ensures stability, while the automatic retraction feature keeps the step out of the way when not in use. This boarding step is made from 6016 T6 aircraft quality aluminum, ensuring both durability and lightweight performance. It measures 26 by 14 by 4 inches and weighs just 7.5 pounds, making it a practical addition without adding unnecessary bulk to your Waverunner. The kit comes complete with mounting hardware and clear instructions, making installation a breeze for most users. In terms of usability, the step has received high praise for its functionality and ease of use. It's particularly helpful for families and recreational riders who need a reliable way to climb onto their Waverunner. However, it might not be as essential for those who don't frequently dismount in the water. Overall, this product is a well-thought-out accessory that enhances the usability of your Yamaha Waverunner. Finally, at number 1, we have the Marine Throttle Control Box 703-4820516 by PowerBob Tech. This product is a game-changer for Yamaha outboard engine users, offering precise throttle control and smooth operation. Its push-to-open design, paired with a 16.5-foot 10-pin harness, ensures compatibility and ease of installation for a wide range of Yamaha marine engines. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a robust aluminum outer material that's both lightweight and durable. The dark blue finish gives it a sleek, professional look, and the right-hand orientation makes it user-friendly for most operators. At 4.36 kilograms, it's sturdy enough to handle the rigors of marine use without being overly cumbersome. In terms of performance, this throttle control box delivers smooth and responsive operation, enhancing the overall boating experience. It's particularly well-suited for recreational boaters who value precision and reliability. While the 90-day warranty might feel a bit short, the product's high customer ratings and robust design inspire confidence. If you're looking for a high-quality throttle control system for your Yamaha outboard, this is the top choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.